So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the K18 Professional 2-part in-salon system. So K18 is a unique Plex system that has a unique K18 peptide. Basically, the K18 will work to repair the hair and build the keratin bridges while you're colouring the hair. The first step of K18 begins in the salon. So before any colouring or bleaching service, you need to apply step 1. And the way to do this is to mist the hair down. We're not going to saturate it, just mist it down and make the hair damp. Okay, and then you're going to go through and section the hair, about 1 inch wide sections, just to ensure that you're getting the mist in right into the hair before your colouring service. Doesn't have to be too neat, just as long as you're getting it right through. About 4 to 6 sprays per section, and then we're going to comb it through. All right. Once you've applied the mist all throughout the hair, you're going to leave it to sit for 4 minutes. This will ensure that the product really has time to work before you go ahead and apply your colour. Okay, so now the K18 mist has sat for 4 minutes on the hair. You can go ahead and apply the colour. It will feel a little bit damp, and that's okay. It's just the K18 doing the work. So after you rinse out your colour, you're going to shampoo the hair. Basically just give it a good scrub. What you're doing here is opening up the cuticle to allow the number 2 in the system to do its magic. So if you are toning the hair, what you'll need to do is shampoo your colour out, apply your toner, and then lightly shampoo again to open those scales right up, so again, number 2 can do the work. So after you've shampooed your client, what you're going to do is bring them back over, and you're going to continue to apply number 2. Number 2 comes in 2 sizes. So this is the K18 leave-in mask. So there is the 150ml size that is only to be used in the salon. The reason this is because it is a stronger version of the take-home product, which is only a 50ml. It does also come in a 5ml sample size, but your client will be back to purchase the 50ml after trying the 5ml sample. So what you're going to do is go through the hair, once again section it off into about 1 inch sections. So this is after shampooing, no conditioner. There is no need for any kind of leave-in product, just go straight through with the K18 leave-in mask. So you don't need a lot. Generally, it's about a pump per section. So as you can see, it's about maybe 1 ml, not even, per section. You're going to really focus on the mids and the ends of the hair. And just make sure that you're getting it all the way through. So the hair can be a little bit tricky after you've shampooed it and no conditioner, particularly if it has been lightened. But once the K18 has worked its magic in the 4 minutes, you'll find that you can effortlessly just glide a comb through. So again, less is more with this product, so try not to overdo it. You don't want to saturate the hair in the product. Just really evenly distribute it. It's important to educate your client if you're sending them home with the K18 to only use it once every 3 washes. Because there is protein in the product, overuse can lead to drying the hair out. So I always recommend taking home a moisture product to be used in between, whether that be a shampoo and conditioner or a shampoo and mask. You just want to really make sure that they're not overdoing it. Once you've finished applying the product to the hair, you're going to leave it sit for 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes, you can go on to cut the hair or blow dry the hair, but you just need to wait that 4 minutes before doing anything. All right, so now it's been 4 minutes. Comb the product right through the hair. This should be much easier after you've allowed the product to sit. So what this will do is just really help to repair the hair and rebuild those broken bonds. It also works as a UV protectant to protect the hair against the elements, and it has a little bit of thermal protection properties in there. I still suggest educating your client on using a thermal protectant when they're going to be applying heat to the hair though. So after you've combed the product right through, you can proceed to cut the hair then. As usual, apply nothing else and just let the hair dry or blow dry it. And that is all you need to do. When you finish the service, blow dried the hair, the best thing that you can do is send K18 home with your client. So as I mentioned, you do have the 5 ml sample size for your client to take home, which will work for 1 use. That way they can get a feel of it and see if they like the product. Once they've moved on from the 5 ml and they've come back to purchase more, which they will, you can then send them home with the 50 ml size. And the correct way for your client to use it is to shampoo their hair, no conditioner. I suggest a double shampoo. So shampoo again, towel dry, and then section the hair just as I did with the clips, and just pick small sections and really focus on distributing the product from mids to ends and get it right through the hair. Leave it for 4 minutes and then they can blow dry. So for the first time that your client uses it, they can use the K18 for 4 to 6 consecutive washes. And that's really to get the product to start working and doing its job to repair the hair. After this time, it's then essential they're only using it, say, once a week maximum. So there you are.